Tired of your Nikon D3500 videos looking amateurish? Let's transform that footage into something crisp and captivating in under 90 seconds. First, import your Nikon D3500 video into your favorite editing software. I'm using DaVinci Resolve, but the principles apply to most. Start with color correction. Adjust the white balance to neutralize any color casts, then tweak the exposure to brighten or darken the image. A slight contrast boost can also add more visual punch. Next, sharpen your video to bring out fine details. Be subtle. Over-sharpening leads to unwanted artifacts. A little goes a long way. Now, address any nose, especially if you shot in low light. Use your software's nose reduction tool. But again, be cautious. Excessive nose reduction can make your video look soft and unnatural. Is your video shaky? Use the stabilization feature. Most software offers this, and it can dramatically improve the viewing experience. Experiment with the settings until you find a balance that smooths out the jitters without introducing unwanted warping. Finally, export your video with the correct settings for your intended platform. Consider resolution, frame rate, and codec for optimal quality. And that's it. Now you have clear, professional video from your Nikon D3500. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tips, and ring the bell for notifications.